How to move large items in your pickup truck bed. When moving items in the bed of your pickup truck, it's important to secure them safely in place. Items that aren't secured may slide around in the bed of the truck, becoming damaged. Or worse, they can fly out of your truck, causing dangerous debris on the roads. Follow these tips to ensure your items are safely stowed before you hit the open road. Check the weather. Because pickup trucks have open beds, check the weather before you schedule your move. Covering sensitive items with tarps is not suggested. Tarps can slip during the move, and they don't protect from water pooling in the truck bed. Protect furniture and other items with padded moving blankets prior to strapping them down. If you don't have a moving blanket, an old quilt or comforter can work. It's important to put this layer of protection on before tying down items to prevent the straps from scratching or denting the item. Securely strap your items down. Secure your item in place using ratchet straps. For large items, more than one ratchet strap may be required. Do not rely on bungee cords. Bungee cords stretch, allowing the items to move and slide when you are in motion. Check your tie-down. Tug on your straps to ensure the item is secure. It should not be able to slide or move around. If anything feels insecure, take the time to re-secure it prior to getting on the road.